Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about a win is a win, not gonna lie. Viewers divided after her ex of 7 months keeps DoorDashing her orders. Here's what he sent this time. So DoorDash has always been known to be one of those things for people that a family member can send another order as a gift or something to that effect, and most people are totally fine with that as long as the tip is right. But in this case, one of the customers in question is a girl who keeps getting food sent to her from her ex. Now, where this falls onto the creepy stalker loving ex-boyfriend scale, I don't know, but at the same time, of course, we gotta check this out. So with that said, we are going over everything that's being said in this article, how it actually is for DoorDash drivers, customers, and their corresponding significant others, apparently, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. Sometimes people will go to great lengths to get their ex back, from promising to change to showering them with gifts. A woman shared her DoorDash haul from her ex of 7 months who keeps sending her stuff in an attempt to win her back. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that is some serious simp behavior right there. Like, I don't even like using terms like that, but you gotta know when it's over, dude. Like, come on.
Please, take me back. I'll buy your lunch for the next ever. Come on.
Honey, no. The answer is no. I've moved on and you should too. TikTok user Adele Church at Userabaoowiieb told her 86,000 followers.
Today, another DoorDash from my ex. For context, him and I broke up 7 months ago. I haven't talked to him since, and he's been buying me shit and love bombing me. So let's see what's in it today. So it's 2 bags. They're quite heavy. Sorry for how I look right now. I just had a crisis and I started crying, and I took my lashes off. So I look a little wonky right now. But oh my god. Okay. First of all, grapes. I love grapes. Cheese. I love cheese.
I'm going to leave our TikTok as well as her profile in the description so you can develop your own opinions on the subject. Okay, I came into this thinking that this guy was getting, like, legitimate meals to her, like filet mignon, or she's just showering her with stuff that way. She's just outright buying groceries. I mean, I know in this economy it could be tough, but I guess that's why you didn't get a restraining order yet. I mean, come on.
Okay. Tomatoes, Sour Patch Kids, a mango, 3 kiwis, protein, some bananas. These ones are brown, so I don't know if I'm gonna eat them because I don't know, I just can't eat these type of bananas. They just kind of grow. Ooh, what did I have? And then baby bell cheese. That's the first bag. For context, these are all of my favorite foods and just like things I like to snack on. And when I study, I like to snack on fruits and just like and cheese and grapes and stuff like that.
Okay, you got all your favorite foods and you're questioning the bananas. I would question the whole situation, but who am I at this point?
It's nice, but if you're watching this, please stop wasting your money on me. Like, I'm not gonna like change my mind.
Okay, obviously what we need to do is send her more groceries. We'll wear her down. It's part of the plan, boys.
No, this is stalker behavior. I have never been more happy to be single than seeing this. Like, Jesus.
Okay, second bag. I think it's just gonna be energy drinks because it's like heavier. Oh, it's a watermelon. It is a watermelon. It's only interesting. Okay. I've never had a watermelon DoorDash to me, but interesting. Oh, and just for context, yesterday I did get flowers delivered to my house. They're in this box. I just haven't taken them out because I haven't had the time.
How do you mistake a watermelon for energy drinks? I know that they're heavier by nature, but you could tell while holding it that it's round, right? Like, you could tell that there's a very big difference just by the structure of the bag. But yeah, Down Bad Dan is striking again, man. The Daily Dot reached out to Church via email, Instagram direct message, and TikTok comment. The video had amassed 2.1 million views as of Saturday afternoon. In the comments, viewers offered mixed feelings. The things you do for content, huh? Speaking of the things you do for content, actually, you reached out to Church via email, DM, through Instagram, and TikTok comment. You're trying almost as hard as their ex-boyfriend. A win is a win, not gonna lie, one viewer wrote. And you know what? In this economy, I can't even blame a comment like that popping up. All jokes aside, I hope you're safe. That sounds kind of scary, a second commented. I think it would be scarier, like actually scarier, if it was him doing the shopping and dropping it off. Then I'd be like, okay, what the hell are you doing? No, this is probably a DoorDash driver, or they're ordering from Walmart and they're just doing the pickup. I think she'll be fine. It's less scary, more sad. I need someone to be this obsessed with me, a third remarked. You know, a part of me wants somebody to be this obsessed with me, and the other part of me is like, leave me alone. Because I've seen how some of these relationships these days turn out, man. Unlike Church, others claim this would have worked on them. My toxic trait is this would work on me, one user said. I mean, like, food is expensive, so this might work on me a little bit, haha, a second stated. And that is our dating world in a nutshell. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. I don't even think the driver would know anything of what's going on. But imagine for a second that they did. And that's something this girl actually told the DoorDash driver. Yeah, my ex keeps sending me this stuff and I kind of want it to stop. How would they react? How would you react? Because I'll tell you what, Down Bad Dan is trying his absolute best to get this girl back. Who wants to tell him that it's okay to look for somebody else? It's not the end of the world if this girl doesn't take you back, you know? And look, I am not the person to ask about relationships. I've had a lot of rough experiences, not just romantically, but just interpersonal relationships in general that makes me skeptical to even have a new one in the future. So I would not be the person to ask about this. But if I saw a helicopter in a tree because it fell out of the sky, you know it's a fuck up. And I know this is fucking up. How much money do you think this guy is wasting? Like, you gotta think, around the same amount every time he sends this person all this stuff, right? We don't even know where it's from. It's in sealed bags that are unmarked for the most part. Probably like a Dash Mart or something. Wouldn't it just be wiser to take the L and move on? All in all, just do yourself a favor. If she says no and it's over, move on. Don't waste the next 7 months sending her crap because she's not gonna take you back, bro. It's okay. You'll move on. There'll be other girls. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.